Hello, I am Mrs. Manisha Pradeep Khaire, continues with the part 2 of chapter capsule. In this part 2, we will see hand operated capsule filling machine, difference between hard gelatin capsule and soft gelatin capsule, and special applications of capsule. Capsule filling machine, there are three types of the capsule filling machine: hand operated device, semi-automatic device, automatic filling machine. We will see hand operated device. Parts of this hand operated device are a bed having 200 to 300 holes, a loading tray having 200 to 300 holes, a powder tray, a pin plate having 200 to 300 pins, a sealing plate having a rubber top, a lever, and a calm candle. This is the picture of hand operated capsule filling machine. Here we can see sealing plate with rubber top, pin plate with 200 to 300 holes. Here is the bed, here is calm handle, here is lever, it is the powder tray, then it is the loading tray with the 200 to 300 holes, and this is the scraper. Operation of hand operated capsule filling machine. Empty capsules are filled in loading tray and it is placed over the bed. The calm handle is operated to separate the capsule cap from their bodies. The powder tray is placed in proper position and filled with accurate quantity of powder with scraper. The excess of powder is collected on the platform of powder tray. The pin plate is lowered to press the filled powder. After pressing, the pin plate is raised and the remaining powder is filled in the bodies of the capsule. The powder tray is removed after its complete filling. The cap holding tray is again placed in position. The plate with rubber top is lowered and the lever is operated to lock the caps and bodies. The loading tray is removed and the filled capsules are collected. Cleaning and sealing of capsule. Small quantities of capsule can be wiped with soft cloths. Large quantities of capsule can be shaken with crystalline sodium chloride and then rolled on cloth covered surfaces. Capsules are sealed by two ways. Sealing is done by banding them with molten gelatin laid around the joint in a strip and dried. Second, capsule can be sealed by spot welding method by means of a heated metal pin pressed against the cap and fusing it to the body. Packing and storage of capsule. Capsule should be packed in a well-closed glass or plastic container and stored at a temperature not exceeding 30 degrees centigrade. It should comply with the storage required specified in individual monograph given in the Pharmacopoeia of India. They are individually protected by enclosing them in a strip or blister pack. In strip packing, capsules are hermetically sealed within the strips of an aluminum foil or plastic film. Capsules are removed by cutting or tearing the strip pack. In case of blister pack, a press on the blister forces capsule through the backing strip. Generally, capsules have longer half-life in unopened glass bottle than in strip pack, but this is reversed once a bottle is opened. Difference between hard and soft gelatin capsule. Hard gelatin capsule consists of two parts, body and cap. Soft gelatin capsule, the shell becomes single unit after sealing two halves of the capsule. Hard gelatin capsule are cylindrical in shape. Soft gelatin, they are round, oval or tube-like shape. Hard gelatin capsule consists of medicament, mixture of medicament in the form of powder, beads or granules. Soft gelatin capsule consists of liquid or solids dissolved or dispersed in suitable excipients to give paste-like consistency. Hard gelatin capsule are prepared from gelatin, titanium dioxide, coloring agent and plasticizer. Soft gelatin capsules are prepared from gelatin, plasticizer, for example glycerin or sorbitol, and a preservative. Capsules are sealed. Hard gelatin capsules are sealed after they are filled to ensure medicament may not come out of the capsule due to rough handling. Soft gelatin capsule filling and sealing of capsules are done in a combined operation on a machine. Then we will see special applications of capsule. First, enteric coated capsule. These capsules do not disintegrate in the stomach but break up in the intestine. On a commercial scale, a coating of cellulose acetate phthalate and mixture of fatty acids or their esters is given to the granules. The following categories need enteric coating. First, drugs which cause irritation to gastric mucosa and lead to nausea and vomiting. Second, drugs which are destroyed by gastric juice. Third, drugs intended to act in the intestine, for example, amebicide or anthelmintics. Fourth, drugs required to produce a delayed action. Second, sustained release capsule. In order to maintain a proper concentration of the medicament and reducing the number of doses per day, a capsule containing numerous coated pellet is administered that release the drug successively over a long period. Third, rectal capsules. Soft gelatin capsules may be used as a substitute for rectal and vaginal suppositories. Various shapes and sizes they are used, but the pear-shaped form is commonly used. Fourth, capsule containing ophthalmic ointment. Soft gelatin capsules are used for filling ophthalmic ointment. These are intended for a single application to the eye. Thank you.